Hi, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to blend colours of wool, a bit like an artist would with paints. Now here's a little needle case that I made, and you can see how the colours are blended. So in the sky we've got blues and pinks and whites, and there's different colours of greens in there. Just to show you, the little sheep were added afterwards. And to blend these colours I use carders. Now these carders are actually dog combs, which can be bought quite easily on the internet. Now if I was going to create a landscape, I would use different colours of green. So you've got quite a citrusy colour here, so I'll just add some of these to my carders, and lighter green. So these will all combine to add definition and depth to your picture. So here we are, a little bit more of a different green, and we've got some, looks a bit like a conifer here. So put all these different greens added to my carder, and very, very gently you just pull them apart. Don't push too hard, because the teeth on the carder will stick together and you'll never get anywhere. So you can see it's starting to blend nicely there. And all I do is flip it over. There we are, it's still unblended on the other side, and pull them apart. Now, so if I'm doing a landscape, I've got a nice blend of colours there. But to add some extra texture, I'm going to add a little bit of sari silk here. I don't mind that there's reds in it, because I think that's often quite interesting. So when you put it on, you get the contours showing. And also I've got some sparkly stellina fibre here. So adding that into my mix, I'm just going to pull it through. And you see there, you've got a lovely blend of colours now. And in this box I've got some Angelina fibre, and that will add real sparkle to it. So there, it's just a green Angelina. I'm going to put some of that on, and you'll see the difference that that makes. Look at that. I don't know if you can see the sparkle under the camera, but that's beautiful, and on a picture that will give a real variety. So then you can change your colours of green for the different layers of the landscape. Now if you were doing a sky, different colours entirely. So let's go for some blues. Here we are. Got some lovely dream blue here. Because sky is never the same colour. It's always got different blends of colour in. And if it's quite a summery sky, I would add a little bit of pink. And a very small amount of this cornflower colour. And I'm just going to again card them. And straight away you can see you've got a lovely blend of colours there. Now to add a bit of texture and depth again, I'm going to add this merino and stellina fibre. There we are. Can you see the sparkle there? Don't know. There we are. It's just catching the light. I'm going to pull that through. And that's going to give a really nice sparkle to the sky. There we are. That would be perfect just to start. Now, if you don't have carders, there's an easy way around that. So here are the colours that I use for the sky. There's the blue and the pink and a little bit of this white stellina. So here we are, all the different colours together, and all you need to do is just tease them between your fingers very lightly, and those fibres will combine. There we are. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you found this tutorial useful. If you have, please subscribe to my YouTube video channel, where there'll be lots more tutorials from Teesdale Felt.